Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to record in GTA 5 Online in PC. Today I'll be showing you how to record in GTA 5 Online in PC. When you're in PC, on your keyboard, click on F1. Once you've clicked on F1, you will see on the bottom left corner, you will see a recording. And once you have clicked F1 again, the recording will stop and it will be automatically saved in your file folder. So where's the file folder? So you can find the file folder in the documents, then go to Rockstar Games, then GTA 5. Then after that, go to videos and then clips, and then there you go. So the JPG file is a screenshot. When you record, it will automatically add a screenshot. And this one at the top, it is the video that you have recorded in GTA 5. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.